up here and check out and see if we can watch some birds. It's been a busy day. I went out to lunch with some friends and they don't like watching birds. I couldn't believe it. Let's check out and see if we can find anything. I think I see a house sparrow coming this way. There's the male house sparrow, and also, oh, I see 2 female house sparrows because they don't have the black on their throats. Wow, look at what they're doing. Can you notice and observe and see? I wonder why. I wonder why the male's feeding the females. Can you notice what type of seeds he's giving it? Or is he giving them a certain type of seed? Wow. Isn't nature pretty cool? Thanks for noticing birds with me today.